Hey everyone, I hope you guys had a great weekend. Did want to let you all know this will be our last live stream together. I know you all have packets that are coming due, so if you need any assistance with them, please feel free to reach out. I'm still available through email or Google Hangouts. So today I just have 10 problems for us to use order of operations with. First, we're going to go over the order of operations. So we solve that using PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division in the order it appears from left to right, and then addition or subtraction in the order it appears from left to right. So in our first problem, we have 3 times 9 plus 7. So the first thing we're going to be doing is our multiplication. So we have 3 times 9. Okay. So 3 times 9 is 27. So that'll give us 27, and then we bring down our plus 7. So we have 27 plus 7. Okay, and now we can solve for our addition. So 27 plus 7 is 34. So our answer is going to be 34. Our next one, we have 12 plus 36 divided by 4. So the first thing we're going to do is our division. So we're going to solve for 36 divided by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. And then we're going to bring down the rest, so plus 12. So now we have 12 plus 9. And 12 plus 9 is 21. So our answer for number 2 is 21. For number 3, we have 9 divided by 3 plus 4 times 6. So using PEMDAS, we're going to do our division first, because remember, we do multiplication and division in the order that it appears. So division appears before multiplication in this case, so we're going to do 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we're going to have 3 plus 4 times 6. Okay, using our order of operations again, we're going to do our multiplication before addition. So we're going to do 4 times 6, and 4 times 6 is 24. And we're going to bring down the plus 3. So now we have 3 plus 24. And 3 plus 24 is 27. Okay, number 4. We have 2 times 11 minus 12 divided by 2. So we're going to do multiplication first. So multiplication comes before division. And we need to do both of those before subtraction. So we're going to do 2 times 11. 2 times 11 is 22. So we have 22 minus 12. divided by 2. Now we're left with subtraction and division. Using PEMDAS, division will be the next thing we solve. So we're going to do 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And we bring down the rest. So we have 22 minus 6. It's the only operation left, so now we're going to solve for 22 minus 6. And 22 minus 6 is 16. Okay, number 5. We have 8 times 18 divided by 4 plus 15. So we have multiplication, division, and addition. First thing we're going to solve for is our multiplication. So we have 8 times 18. 8 times 18 is 144. Divided by 4 plus 15. Okay, now we have division and addition. So the next thing we're going to solve is our division. So we have 144 divided by 4. And that is going to give us 36. So we have 36 plus 15. Okay, so now we can solve for 36 plus 15. And 36 plus 15 is 51. So our answer is 51. Okay, for number 6, we have parentheses with this one. So the first thing we're going to solve is our parentheses before our division or multiplication. So we have 67 minus 18. 67 minus 18 is 49. And then we bring down our divided by 7 times 3. Now we have division and multiplication. So we're going to solve our division first, because in the order from left to right, it comes first. So we have 49 divided by 7. And 49 divided by 7 is 7. And we're going to bring down our times 3. Now we have 7 times 3, and 7 times 3 is 21. On our next one, we have an exponent. So remember, exponents aren't 5 times 2, it's 5 times 5. So that's what our exponent looks like. It's 5 times 5. So 5 times 5, or 5 squared, is 25. And then we bring down our minus 8. So now we have 25 minus 8. And 25 minus 8 is 17. So our answer is 17. On number 8, we have two exponents. So our first exponent is going to look like 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 and 4 times 2 is 8. So here we have 8 times 3 squared. Okay, so now we're going to solve our second exponent. Our second exponent is 3 squared, so that's going to look like 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So now we have 8 times 9. And 8 times 9 is 72. So our answer to 2 cubed times 3 squared is 72. Number 9, we have an exponent, multiplication, and parentheses. So the first thing we're going to solve in PEMDAS, the P stands for parentheses. So we're going to solve 8 minus 3. So we're going to bring down our 4 squared times, and then 8 minus 3, which is 5. So we have 4 squared times 5. So we have an exponent and multiplication. In PEMDAS, our second letter is E for exponent. So we're going to solve 4 squared. 4 squared looks like this. 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 16 times 5. Okay, now we can solve our multiplication. Our multiplication is 16 times 5. And 16 times 5 is 80. On to our last one. Our last one, we have 2 sets of parentheses and division. So we're going to start with our first set of parentheses. In our first set of parentheses, we have multiplication and subtraction. So we're going to solve them in the order we should in PEMDAS within the parentheses. So the first thing we're going to do is our 7 times 8 in the parentheses. So 7 times 8 is 56. So that's going to give us 56 minus 4, still left in parentheses, divided by, and then our second set of parentheses, which is 6 minus 2. So we're going to go back and finish our first set of parentheses. That means we have 56 minus 4. 56 minus 4 will give us 52. So we have 52 divided by 6 minus 2. Okay, so we're going to solve our second set of parentheses now. Our second set of parentheses is 6 minus 2, and 6 minus 2 is 4. And then we'll bring down the rest. So now we have 52 divided by 4, and 52 divided by 4 is 13. So our answer is going to be 13. Okay. That is everything I have planned for us today. Please feel free to reach out to me if you need any help. I will be available Monday through Friday during normal school hours. You can reach me on Google Hangouts or through email. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, a great rest of your school year, and if I don't hear from you, a great summer. Stay safe, everyone.